Hello everyone, my name is Bartek Górecki, I'm CEO of QuickerSim and I hold a PhD degree in computational fluid dynamics. Our idea in this series is to give you a course of short lectures on computational fluid dynamics and numerical methods so that you get in-depth understanding of the underlying physics and theory which is behind the numerical methods, so that you understand from the engineering perspective how to do good numerical simulations so that you can trust your results. We will cover a bunch of different topics, from basic discretizations and fundamentals of numerical methods to topics like heat transfer, turbulent heat transfer, so that you learn what kind of models should be applied to each phenomenon. I hope you will enjoy this series and have fun and try to experiment with us.